going to create a write-up here on WordPress real quick as soon as I get back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post the actual federal court order that preserved our abilities to pursue the issues against Shelley Sweet, Robert Wheeler, and Isabella County Sheriff's Department in an October 8th federal court order by federal court judge Opperman. I forget what his first name is, but you'll see it on the order if it's there. Anyways, what had happened, and just a real brief description to go with that document. What had happened was Shelley Sweet actually sold our home to a third-party buyer, even though she'd already sold it to us. We'd been in the home for 7 months, and apparently she wasn't making her underlying mortgage payment and needed to cash out right away, so she had to get rid of the deal with us. So she just simply ignored the deal with us and listed the property with Larry Bean, who completely ignored the fact that I told him we'd already purchased the property, and then he listed the property and sold it to a third-party buyer. Well, a very pivotal piece of information here is that Shelley Sweet actually sold the house prior to the end of September. In fact, it's believed that there's a purchase and sale agreement out there that offers possession, an accepted purchase and sale agreement between Shelley Sweet and this third-party buyer that offered possession of our house to this new buyer at the end of September. And that's why Shelley Sweet came into our home and completely trashed it out. With the help of friends and neighbors, got rid of all of our personal property that was in the house, and the help of the Isabella County Sheriff's Department, because of this fake eviction created by Bruce Havens. So it's one big mess, and that's one of the reasons why we're going back to federal court, because they already know about it, and particularly the Federal Bankruptcy Court, where they've actually created an order to preserve our interest to go back after these issues with regard to the issues themselves with personal and real property, but also with the criminal allegations against the people who were involved. So it's really critical, and that's why I wanted to make this video about that order itself. It's really important. The order preserves indefinitely our ability to seek redress in that court based on these issues. And the transcript's already on YouTube. If you haven't seen it, you probably should. It's something like Bruce Havens recreates court process or something like that. Keep in mind that video is the actual transcript of the proceedings where Mount Pleasant attorney Bruce Havens tells the federal court that he's designed this prophylactic. So just totally bizarre. But check that out. And anyways, I will post a link that has the actual Opperman order, federal court order, right with it, so you can take a look at that too. That's it for now.